Hello, dear children. So, what did we see in my last period, in the last lecture? It was all about Mangal Pandey's realization for the freedom. Okay, and he in fact realized that the British government is just misusing their liberty, right? And they all had just spread the news of awareness across the country, and they in fact distributed chapatis to each other, and through the chapati मीन्स चपाती मिलने की वजह से उनको मिलने का बहाना मिलता था एक दूसरे से. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दे स्प्रेड द न्यूज़ ऑफ रिवोल्ट कि हम अभी रिवोल्ट करेंगे. व्हाट डू वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय द वर्ड रिवोल्ट? रिवोल्ट मीन्स रिवोल्यूशन फॉर चेंज. विच चेंज means just trying, we will try to eradicate our society from the slavery. मतलब गुलामी से हमको अभी आज़ादी चाहिए, right? So this kind of thought came to Mangal Pandey's mind, and he had formed very massive group. This thing we had discussed in my previous lecture. Now it's time for revolt and then the fight for freedom, right? So this is how two pages are remaining. As you can see in the picture, how they are killed by the rebellions. Okay, means the people who are fighting against them. Rebellion means just fighting against cruelty. तो बुरे लोगों के खिलाफ ये लोगों ने लड़ाई चालू कर दी, and they started killing the British. Okay, so long live our Emperor Bahadur Shah, and this is how they had set, means Shah's Darbar. This is Shah's Darbar, and who is Bahadur Shah? He was the king in North India. Okay, Bahadur Shah. So the Delhi Sultanate was free from British government for a little while. ज़्यादा समय के लिए नहीं, but कुछ समय के लिए Delhi Sultanate was free from British government, and they all started praising Bahadur Shah Zafar. Okay, and they had just given all the related powers, regional powers, to Bahadur Shah Zafar, the local people. Okay, the local people are standing here and they are praising him as because they had a great rebellion against British, right? So the rebellion spread wider, and further what happened? Rebellion had spread wider, और ज़्यादा rebellion बढ़ते गया because they all fought against British policies. Due to British policies, Indians were tortured actually. So that is the reason they had spread the rebellion across the country. Many landlords had lost their lands because of the British policies, and they were sore. Okay, so what had happened? So many landlords had just lost their properties. Okay, and they were sore. So sore means they were upset and angry. Sore का meaning होता है upset होना या angry होना, right? The white man's rule must end. Yes, we will help you. Okay, as you can see, these are the rebellious people, means those who are against the British, and one of the king or kind of minister of a particular place is talking to these people. Okay, so what they are planning to fight against the British. So they had higher ranks among the rebellion. Okay, so when the rebellion was going on, they all had worked really hard and they had sacrificed their lives. Okay, so the planning started. So the fight for freedom, actual fight for freedom, had begun in the year 1857. But when did we get the freedom? In 1947. So it took almost 90 years after that. Okay, many former rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. The white man has taken away my kingdom. Now she has realized that she is no one but she is means queen of Lucknow, and her name was Begum Hazrat Mahal. She belonged to the city of Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh, UP. And what did she realize? The white man has taken away my kingdom. Okay, means her kingdom was taken away by the British, and she was actually angry on British. Popular leaders like Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, rise brother, rise, and Angrez is ruining our land. Okay, rise brother, rise, the Angrez is ruining our land. So can you see this bubble box? The dialogue is here, and who was that popular leader? His name was Maulvi Ahmadullah. Okay, ruining means damaging. Damaging means they have annexed their properties. Annex matlab छीन लिया. Okay, snatched away all their properties. So he started gathering people in a place, and he started giving the speech against the British, and this is how the people realized that now they should fight against the British rule. They joined the upsurge against the foreigner. Okay, now this is how she and Mr. Ahmadullah, they all started gathering together, and they had started an upsurge against the foreigner. The foreigner matlab kaun? British people. Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence. Okay, who is saying this particular thing? Azimullah Khan. Mr. Azimullah Khan is saying that Tatya Tope, he belonged to Maharashtra. Okay, so in fact, he had great history in the part of freedom fighting. Okay, so this is how they planned to just hire Peshwa Nana Sahib to fight with them for independence. The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battles all over North India. And what had happened here? The patriots. Patriot. What do you understand by the word patriot? Those who have participated in the rebellion. जिन्होंने भी उस फाइटिंग में पार्टिसिपेट किया, they are known as patriots. Means देशभक्त जिसे कहते हैं. Okay, so what had happened here? As you can see, so they all had again had a plan, and they just pounced upon the British and fought pitched all over North India. And they fought so strongly in the North Indian part of India, wherein the British also realized that Indians are trying to just kill us, and one day they are going to win their battle. Okay. 80-year-old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Okay, he received a bullet it means in his wrist. What did he was shot by the British, and that particular wrist was damaged. Wrist means kalai, as you can see. हाथ का हिस्से में से खून निकल रहा हुआ है. Okay, so he was shot by gun. Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. Okay, now what did he say? That this is my last offering means his blood was the last. These are the last drops of my blood which I am offering you. It means several people had just given up their lives for the freedom, and that is the reason now we are living a normal life. तब अगर हिस्ट्री में ये लोग लड़ाई नहीं किए होते, वी वुड हैव नॉट लिव्ड अ नॉर्मल लाइफ. आज हम लोग नॉर्मल लाइफ नहीं जी रहे होते. सो दैट इज़ वाई द फ्रीडम फाइटर्स, द पैट्रियट्स शुड बी प्रेज्ड एंड रिस्पेक्टेड. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द लेसन ऑल अबाउट, and this particular section was taken from our freedom movement S.D. Sawant, written by Mr. S.D. Sawant. So we have ended with this part of the lesson, and the history of freedom fighting is quite vast. It cannot be just portrayed in 4-5 pages, but still the pictorial view gives an interest. ये picture देख के काफ़ी interest आता है बच्चों को पढ़ने के लिए. So as you can feel each and every scene, right? Because you can connect yourself. The moment you see that someone is dying, someone is killing, so you can just assume the struggle, what they had suffered from, what they had faced. Okay, so we have completed with the last page of the lesson, and in my next lecture we will discuss the comprehension check and working with text part. Okay, so just take care. Thank you.